Hi, in this video we are going to see the official public notice released by the University Grants Commissions regarding the Prime Minister's mentorship scheme, guys. So here there is a chance of winning the scholarship 3 lakh rupees for the duration of 6 months, and here any Indian can apply. Of course there is a age limitation is there, and I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It might be very helpful to them. And to get the more notifications from my side like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like also, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this mentorship scheme. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official notice released by the University Grants Commissions on 25th June 2021 regarding the YUVA scheme, guys. Okay, so here YUVA means young, upcoming and versatile authors. Okay, so as follow-up of the Prime Minister announcement in Mann Ki Baat on 31st Jan 2021, and in tune with his vision of global citizen, the Ministry of Education has launched the scheme of author mentorship to train young and budding authors below 30 years of age in order to promote reading, writing and book culture in the country and Project India and Indians writing globally. So the scheme called as a YUVA will be part of India at the rate 75 project Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav to bring to the force the perspectives of the young generation of writers on themes like unsung heroes, freedom fighters, unknown and forgotten places, and the role in national movement and other related themes in an innovative and creative manner. So if you can able to write the topics regarding unsung heroes, freedom fighters, unknown and forgotten places, then you can get the chance of winning 50,000 rupees per month, but you have to write in the most innovative and the creative manner. Okay, so let's participate and show how much you are innovative and creative, guys. And coming to the National Book Trust India, Ministry of Education, Government of India is the implementing agency of this scheme, and an online national contest is being organized from 1st June to 31st July 2021 to select the authors under this scheme, and there is a provision for payment of scholarship 50,000 rupees per month for a period of 6 months. That means you will get the 3 lakh rupees, and they are going to select 75 authors. Okay, and whatever the thing you wrote, the National Book Trust will publish, okay, on your name, guys. Fine, the details you can get in this official website. Okay, I will show you the details, and in this PDF you can get the main link, detailed scheme document, okay, as well as the frequently asked questions and the application form. All these things you can get. And here all the universities and their affiliated colleges or the institutes are requested to disseminate the information pertaining to the YUVA scheme among the students, teachers, researchers to encourage greater participation in this prestigious scheme. Okay, so on behalf of UGC, from my channel, I am also announcing you, please try to participate as maximum as possible to write. Why? Because it will be a very good, great opportunity to write about our unsung heroes, okay, and the freedom fighters who are not yet covered or else not exposed more. So you have to write regarding this one in a most creative and innovative way, guys. And it is official website, okay, that is National Book Trust India. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video so that you will get the complete details here, guys. PM mentorship scheme for young authors. So frequently asked questions in English and Hindi. PM mentorship scheme details in Hindi, and application forms are also available. Okay, so here I will show you the most frequently asked questions. I think it will be very much helpful to you because here the lot of questions are there, guys. Okay, I can't go through all these questions. I will just tell you in a brief. Okay, what are the themes that one can send one entries about? And the major themes are unsung heroes, little known facts about the national movement, role of various places in national movement, entries bringing out new perspectives related to political, culture, economic and science related aspects of the national movement, etc. The duration is 1st June to 31st July. Within this duration only you have to participate in the online contest. Okay, What is the time the submission will be accepted? Up to 31st July, night 11:59. And the deciding factor, the soft copy is received via email. To which email you have to send, I will show you. Can I write in any Indian language? You can check down here. These are the languages that you can write, guys. Okay, Asamiya, Bangla, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bodo, Santali, Maithili, and Dogri. Okay, and maximum age limit is exactly 30 years on 1st June 2021. Foreign nationals are not allowed, only Indian nationals are allowed. Okay, and where should I send my entry? See guys, it is the mail ID that you need to send, guys. NBT, National Book Trust, Young Writers @gmail.com. Okay, and there is one application form is also there. I will show you. Can I submit more than one entry? No. What should be the structure of the entry? It should have a chapter plan, synopsis, and 2 to 3 chapters if the entry has the chapters, with 5,000 as a maximum word limit, guys. Okay, 5,000 as a maximum word limit. That means you have to adhere to this one. And you will receive an acknowledge mail also. How will I know that my entry has been registered or not? You will get the acknowledgement also. And I will be submitting my entry in Indian language. Should I attach its English translation? No need, guys. Kindly attach in 100 to 150 words gist of your entry in either English or the Hindi. Next, is there any minimum age limitation? No minimum age limit. And can I send the handwritten manuscript? No, you should be typed. Why? Because I got one comment regarding this one. Okay, whether the Prime Minister mentorship scheme can we submit the handwritten manuscripts? Okay, those are not allowed, guys. You have to neatly typed, and you can submit both fiction as well as the non-fiction also. Okay, and the subgenres, and will poetry be accepted? No poetries. Okay. And can I submit my entry in a hard copy? If you're submitting a hard copy, then a soft copy also needs to be sent to the email provided. So why all these things? You just send the soft copy only, fine. The submissions have to be sent to the following address. If you want to send the hard copies, then it is the address, guys. To this address you have to send. But even though if you submit the hard copy, you have to submit through the through the mail also. Okay, and the envelope or packet should be clearly mentioned as PM scheme for Yuva. Can I submit my Indian language entry in Unicode? Yes, it can be sent in Unicode. Okay, so format of submission is also given. For English, the format should have font style as Times New Roman, and font size should be 14. For other languages, equivalent font size or style or size should be employed. Okay, so these are all the things, guys. You please go through all these FAQs, and here the application form is there, guys. Okay, so PM scheme application form in English. So just click on that one. You have to fill up these details, and after filling up these details, then attach your neatly typed manuscript. Okay, and then send both these two. Okay, send both these two to the provided mail ID, guys. Understand? So word length of entry, please attach the word file of max 5,000 words. Okay, this is to certify that entry submitted is my original unpublished work. I understand that if the entry is found to be violating copyright or privacy regulations, I will be automatically rejected. Fine. Okay, guys, these are the details regarding this PM mentorship scheme for the young authors. So please participate as maximum as possible and let this scheme be most successful, guys. Okay, and I think it will be very pride. Okay, and so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means. commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.